Okay, a bookstore gives you a 10% student discount, but you must still pay the 6% sales tax. Use composite functions. Well, the first thing we need to do is just write some functions. I'm going to use D to represent the discount function, and I'm going to use S to represent the sales tax function. Now, I hope this is common sense to you, but let's start with the discount function. And by the way, I'm using D of P instead of, I'm not using an X here because P can represent the price, okay? So the discount of the price, and that function is going to be, if you're going to a store and getting a discount, you're paying 100% of the price minus whatever the percent off is, and in this case it's 10% off, so 0.10 P. So this is the whole price, in other words 100% minus 10%. So when you go to the store, the price that you're going to be paying is 0.90 P. Okay? Now the sales tax function is a little bit different. Still paying sales tax on the purchase price. So if you go into the store, whatever the price of this item is, you're paying full price, 100% of the price, plus the sales tax. And in this case, the sales tax is 0.06, in other words 6%. So when you walk out of that store, you've paid 1.06 times the price. So there's our discount function and our sales tax function. Now what this is asking, we're actually ready to start on letter A. Determine how much you save if the discount is calculated first. Discount calculated first. Relating this to composite functions, what this really means is that we're taking the discount function and plugging it into the sales tax function, okay? So what that's going to look like for letter A is S of D of P, okay? So if that's what we're going to do, then what we need to do is start by writing the sales tax function, and in this case it's just this. So we have 1.06 empty space, because that's where we're going to go and pull the D function and plug it right in here. So we're going to pull this and it gets plugged in right here, which is 0.90 P. And when we do the math on that, you get 0.954 P. All right? Now it's asking us for letter B, determine how much you save if the tax is calculated first. Well, so we're going to switch it up here. We're going to plug the sales tax function into the discount function. You see that? You see how we're plugging the sales function into the discount function. So we're going to go look for the D function, which is right up here. So I'm going to start by writing the D function, 0.90, empty space for what we're going to plug in. Let me change the color here so you can follow this. Okay, so now we're going to go get the S function so we can plug it in. So let's go get the S function right here, and we're plugging it in right here. So that gives us 1.06 P. Well, it's not going to take much math to see that we're going to get the exact same thing. So it doesn't matter if you calculate the sales tax first or if you calculate the discount first, you're still going to have the same kind of savings. Determine which method will save you the most? Neither. Same savings.